The most important things that came out of this morning's questioning were that 86 of the 100 jurors indicated that they did know something about this case. That doesn't mean they'll automatically be disqualified, but it does mean they'll face some stiff questions this afternoon when the judge and the attorneys try to make sure that they can set what they know of the case aside and be fair. Secondly, there were 34 that indicated that they had some opinion as to Mr. Cosby's guilt or innocence. Only 14 of those said they couldn't be fair, but still, that's a higher number than you would get in a normal case, and so that'll be a concern too. You just ask them pointed questions. How do you know about the case? Have you read about it? How specific is your knowledge? And where did you get the knowledge? Did you get it off Entertainment Tonight? Did you get it off the newspaper, off the internet? How often have you read about it? Some people will say they know about it, and they'll be asked, and they'll be like, well, I heard about it 6 months ago. And they'll shrug, and somebody like that probably won't be disqualified. But somebody who follows it day to day on Facebook and that sort of thing, they may well be. It's kind of an inexact science. Some people would argue it's as simple as the prosecution wants people that pay attention and the defense wants people that don't. Because some people would argue that the defense wants people that are easily fooled. Now that's a very crass and assessment, but some people believe that's the case. But basically what they're looking for is people's backgrounds, what exposure they have to the defendant, what exposure they have to the kind of charges, which in this case is aggravated indecent assault, being tried. They want to make sure that somebody doesn't have an axe to grind with either the police or with a sex offender or somebody under indictment for that kind of crime, all sorts of things.